is happening, BC Spirits? BC Spirits Spirit Day, number 306. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm slowly going through my collection again. Actually, I've got a lot of alcohol here, and being at episode 300 earlier, like late last week, earlier this week, opened my eyes to what have I missed in my collection that I haven't tasted on the show yet. Because while I enjoy going out and buying a whole bunch of alcohol on a regular basis, I really wanted to sort of make sure I haven't missed anything that's already in my collection. And this was one of them. And this is the Arbutus Limoncello. Now, you know I give tons of love to Arbutus. I love Mike and what he does up there. Just absolutely gangbuster stuff. And I know that my bar mum, who always watches the show, she loves limoncello. So this one's for you, Laurie. Yes, she is my bar mum. I don't care what people think that is weird. She has been following my career since I was 29 years old, and every venue I open and all the places I do, she always comes and supports. So I'm always thankful for guests like that. So this is the limoncello from Arbutus. I do love my limoncello. So they use their base spirit, their base vodka, and then they infuse it with lemon peels and juice. Now this is the thing, when you really start thinking about limoncello and flavors like this, citrus and stuff, there's the peel, there's the pith, there's the flesh, there's the juice. How does it, like, all these sort of flavor profiles are different. And how do you use this? I was talking to one of my bartenders recently about banana liqueur. Let's make a banana liqueur from scratch. And I was like, we'll do an infusion with regular bananas, and we'll actually do an infusion with banana peel, because the banana peel actually brings flavor to the drink. So when you blend it together and sweeten it, you can make a beautiful banana liqueur. I know it sounds really weird, and there's a bit of a segue out of being limoncello, but I think that people have to understand like what flavors come from every portion of fruit or liqueur or something like that. On the nose, just sweet, beautiful candied lemon. And then on the palate, Mike is always fantastic. He always creates these crazy flavors. Initially, you get sweet lemon, almost candied peel. Then you get a little acidity from the juice. And then it finishes off quite oily, but still very nice. Like, you're getting beautiful oils from the skin, like if someone just went like a twist over a drink. So this is a gorgeous blend of sweet, sour, and oily, which is what lemon is. It shouldn't just be sweet lemon. It shouldn't just taste like a lemon candy. It should be aromatic. It should be floral. It should make you feel like you're stepping next to a lemon tree as it's still flowering and fresh lemons off it. It should just be that beautiful aromatic lemon, and this is just nailing it. Perfect. If you like limoncello, like I know my bar mom does, get yourself a bottle of the Arbutus Limoncello. You will not be disappointed. As always, guys, I can't thank you enough for the support. It keeps me going. I was actually going to finish at number 300 and be done with Spirit today, but I changed my mind and I have to keep going now. So hopefully I can hit 400, because now looking at the spirits I have now, I'm like, geez, 306, and I've still got 94 to go before 400, but I still haven't touched a lot of stuff from a lot of distilleries. I'm really hoping that summertime, when we sort of ease up some of our restrictions, I can actually go out and really hit some distilleries and really get to meet a lot of the distillers, because right now I'm just a face in a box. Not TV, but your iPhone pretty much is. So thanks as always, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye.